The Caspian Sea is a pearl of Europe and Asia. For as long as anyone can remember, its waters has been bringing life to people living at the coast. The Caspian Sea has always been famous for rich fishery resources, but it houses something even bigger: vast deposits of oil and gas. Oil extraction at the Caspian coast started back in 1870, from exploratory to production wells. In 1901, more than half of the world's oil production was coming from the Caspian oil fields. Oil exploration and production methods in the early 20th century allowed extracting oil only onshore. The first offshore oil structures opened in the 1950s. They brought new technologies into the region. Northern and central parts of the Caspian Sea, now belonging to Kazakhstan and Russia, had not been explored well at that time. Detailed exploration started in the mid-1990s and led to the opening of the richest fields, making Kazakhstan third in the world in oil and gas reserves. Currently, almost all onshore fields are in operation, and many of them are depleted. The situation prompted exploration of offshore oil fields. Considering an increasing demand for oil field development, in 2012, the national company, Kosmunaya Gas, encouraged KMG Drilling and Services to proceed with construction of the first jackup rig that was later named SÄTTİ, translated from Kazakh as successful. In 2017, all testing and pre-commissioning activities were completed, and the rig is fully ready for operation. SÄTTİ is designed by Keppel Fells as a Type B jackup drilling rig. SÄTTİ is a non-propelled drilling rig, International Maritime Organization (IMO) certified and classified by the American Bureau of Shipping (ABS) as a self-elevating floating drilling unit. IMO number is 9668207, and the call sign is UNDH. The port of registry is Aktau, Kazakhstan. SÄTTİ is owned by KMG Drilling and Services. SÄTTİ's hull is 72 meters long and 64 meters wide, with three 119-meter-tall legs at a displacement of 10,800 tons. The rig is designed for operation in water depths of 5 to 80 meters and can drill to depths of 7,000 meters. The transit draft is 4.4 meters. The cantilever is located at the aft end of the rig. It is 36.3 meters long and 19.1 meters wide, with a total weight of 765 tons. The drill floor is located above the cantilever. The cantilever can move forward and aft. The rotary table's center line can overhang 18.29 meters from the aft of the rig. The drill floor can move 4.57 meters left or right from the center. The main drilling equipment of the rig is located here, namely the drill floor, derrick, top drive system, drawworks, etc. These features allow for cluster drilling while jacked up in the same position. The derrick is 48 meters high with 453 tons capacity and equipped with an NOV crown block. The setback area has a capacity of 210 drill pipes with 5 inches in diameter and 10 drill pipes of 9.5 inches in diameter. The NOV Drawworks is a 2,000 horsepower ADS 10D model. The Drawworks is equipped with an Amphion-controlled electrical braking system with air and water cooling. The NOV Traveling Block has a load capacity of 454 tons. The NOV TDS 8SA top drive has 650 tons load capacity. 1,150 horsepower, and 270 rotations per minute. For any auxiliary works and cargo hauling, 5-ton lifting capacity Ingersoll Rand air winches are installed on the drill floor. The NOV Rotary Support Table, RST-495-3G, 49.5 inches, is equipped with a removable PS21 power slip. The NOV ST80C Iron Roughneck is installed at the drill floor and has a maximum makeup torque of 81,500 Newton meters and breakout torque of 108,500 Newton meters. The driller's cabin is equipped with an Amphion drilling control system that controls and displays information on the drilling equipment operation and status of drilling operations. There are also control panels for well control equipment, fire and gas detection, CCTV monitoring, and all intercom systems. Blowout prevention equipment includes Schaefer 29.5-inch hydro diverter, 20 3/4 and 13 5/8 preventers, and NOV choke and kill manifolds which are able to shut the well up to 690 bar. NOV 12P 160 mud pumps. Rated pump speed is 120 strokes per minute. Liners from 4.5 to 7.25 inch. Rated pressure 345 bar. An adequate supply of drill pipes and drill collars are available on SATTI. The rig has drill pipes 4 and 5 inches and drill collars from 4 3/4 to 9.5 inches in diameter. Lower level of the hull is designed to store process fluids. There are 2 main, 2 service, and 2 settling tanks for diesel fuel. 2 freshwater tanks with a capacity of 326 cubic meters. 2 4 cubic meter tanks are used to store lubricating oil for diesel generators and mud pumps. Waste oil is stored in an 8 cubic meter tank. For gray and black water collection, there is a 232 cubic meter tank. For the preparation of weighted drilling mud, 10 mud tanks with overall capacity of 590 cubic meters are installed. 4 bulk tanks for barite with overall capacity of 170 cubic meters, 3 bulk tanks for cement with an overall capacity of 144 cubic meters, and 2 drill water tanks with a total capacity of 608 cubic meters are available. There are 2 tanks for drilling mud fill-up, 30 cubic meters of total capacity, and a 33 cubic meter tank for oily water collection. There are 3 storage facilities on the rig. The main warehouse, storage for heavy tools, and sack storage room for chemicals. The jacking system consists of 3 triangular truss legs with spud cans mounted at the bottom of each of them. Each cord of each leg consists of 4 gears driven independently by electric motors through a gear transmission. Each leg has 12 electric motors with gearboxes for a total of 36 elevating devices. The jacking system has 9 hydraulic fixation units used once the required elevation above sea level is reached. Power supply systems includes 4 Cat 3516C diesel generator sets rated at 1,505 kilowatts, producing 600-volt output. In case of unexpected blowout, a Cat 3508 emergency diesel generator rated at 968 kilowatts and 480 volts output automatically comes on, ensuring power supply for all emergency equipment on the rig. 3 Favel Favco pedestal cranes with 36.6 meters long booms are installed on the main deck at port forward, port aft, and starboard locations. The maximum working capacity of each crane is 36 metric tons. At the maximum reach of 36.6 meters, The main hoists of the cranes have a working capacity of 13 metric tons each. The whip hoists have a working capacity of 10 tons. The living quarters have been designed to provide comfortable conditions for work and rest. The living quarters can accommodate 86 personnel and is located the maximum distance from the drill floor and flare booms. To provide accommodation for rig personnel, 6 single, 12 double, and 14 quadruple cabins are available. All cabins are designed to provide comfortable living environments and have en-suite bathrooms. The Offshore Installation Manager Office, Company Man Office, jacking control room, server room, radio room, helicopter lounge, meeting room, and other office rooms are located on the upper levels of the living quarters. The galley is fully provisioned with all the equipment required for food storage and cooking. The walk-in cold storage, refrigerators, and freezers can store food supplies sufficient for 86 people. The mess room can accommodate 48 people at a time. SATTI has recreational facilities where personnel can relax during their time off, coffee rooms, fitness gym, recreation room, library, and computer room are located on various levels within the living quarters. There is a sick bay on the rig where personnel can be referred for first aid and an isolation unit. There are 4 fully enclosed NOR-safe lifeboats with 45 personnel capacity, each located on both sides of the living quarters. There are 6 Viking life rafts with 20 personnel capacity, each located on both sides of the main deck. 3 life rafts per each side. There is a NOR-safe fast rescue boat located at the bow. SATTI is equipped with an automatic fire and gas detection system covering the entire rig. Gas, heat, smoke, flame, and toxic gas detectors are connected to the automatic fire and gas detection system. Upon activation of the fire and gas alarm, the living quarters damper emergency shutdown system is activated. The heli deck is located on the bow of the rig, 22 meters above the main deck, and is 25 by 25 meters with a load capacity of 13 tons. All SATTI personnel are trained and certified according to international standards. SATTI, the name of success.